Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I will giving you a tips to change the background color or the gradient color of your background from your image without affecting the object on it. So let's go to tutorial. First, you need to open your Canva, insert an image. Okay, for example, I think I just will adding this image, this one, and I would like to change the background from this image onto black and white. The way how to do it, there's two different ways. The first one, you can click this one and then click the Magic Studio and then use the Magic Grab to grab these two objects. Wait for a moment. Okay, to grab these two objects like this. This one. Okay, and this one. And this one. After that, grab it. Wait for a moment. And just like that, it's done. Now, the way how to change the background color is just by clicking it and go to Effect, click Duotones and click Custom. And there you are. As you can see, now the background color from this image is already changing onto black and white, but the object on it still have a gradient color as before. And the second way is to change the color of the background. It's by, let me open a new page. Okay, insert a new image. Okay, I will just adding the same image as before. Is by click this one and then click adjust. And as you can see, there's an option here, the option to change the gradient color of your image. Foreground is for the object here and the background is for the background. So the way how to change it, you just need to adjust the brightness, contrast, or etc. on this toolbar. So if you want to make it a little bit dark, you just need to decrease the brightness like this. And for the temperature, I'm going to decrease it to 100. And the highlights, I will try to increase it to 60. For the contrast thing, I will put it here. And shadow I will decrease it, and black I will increase it like this. And saturation, you just need to decrease it like this. And now your background image is already has a black and white color. But unfortunately, if you're using this method, there's a few objects that will change in color, like this one. As you can see on this side, these two flowers is changing color. But when we use the first method, as you can see, the color is still on it, but the one that changing is just the background. And that's the way to change the gradient color of your background without affecting the object on your image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.